Hi guys, today we talk about how can you fix this problem or no, how you can do that on your Zepeto app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you this like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just click here on, so you go down, just click here on apps. So then you come to apps is here. In there you're looking for Zepeto app or just click on search. So then here at Zepeto app, it's going to show for you here like this. You click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop, click on OK, then you go down, just click on storage here. Come to storage list, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just go to your Play Store. So you click here on your Play Store here. And here you search for Zepeto app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.